gives us great pleasure to be back again in Hyderabad. This is the third time we are bringing this show, India Soft, to Hyderabad. Those of you who would not be aware of India Soft, I would like to give you a very brief background, how we started this show and how it has evolved over the years. Way back in the year 2000, we were traveling in the US and people would ask us, look, we know your big IT companies, we know Infosys, we know TCS, we know Wipro, but where are your tier 2 and tier 3 companies? At that point in time, ESC had a membership of 1600 companies. Now we have 2300 members. And we would tell our friends in the US, look, we have a directory, we have a website, and we have a lot of tier 2, tier 3 companies. And they would turn around and say, look, we don't want to talk to 1600 companies, tell us some 20, 30 good companies whom we can talk to. And we would say as a industry association, we cannot discriminate between our members. We cannot tell you which 20 are good. That was the genesis for this show. We thought India today has sufficient brand equity in IT. Let's create a platform where tier 2, tier 3 companies would exhibit and people from various parts of the world would come and meet them right here. Because as you know, the tier 2, tier 3 companies find it very difficult to do global marketing. It's very expensive. And so this was really addressing a very important need for these companies. And 80% of our members are tier 2 and tier 3 companies. So that was the background. And then came along our Department of Commerce and Government of India. They were very keen to expand trade with new emerging markets like Africa, Latin America, Middle East. And they created programs where we could invite people from these new emerging markets and call them to the show and use a subsidy from the government. Our initial reaction was that most of our market is in the US and Europe, and these new countries are good for products, but they are not good for services export. And although we were initially reluctant, but when these people came here, it became a strategic fit with our tier 2, tier 3 companies. Because their order sizes were so small that the large Indian IT companies were not interested in doing business with them. So here was a great opportunity. Our tier 2, tier 3 started doing business in Latin America, in Africa, in Middle East, and therefore it accomplished a dual purpose. One was helping tier 2, tier 3 companies to export and also diversifying their export markets. So as you know, being dependent just on US was very risky, and particularly you have recession in the US and that whole business model fails. So this is the broad background of this show. ESC, as you know, is a Government of India promoted export promotion council. Our charter is to look at both hardware and software, and this show was started by us in 2000